Want to speak real Chinese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at ChineseClass101.com.
Welcome to Can Do Chinese by ChineseClass101.com.
Hi, 大家好，我是李英如. Hi everyone, my name is Yinru Li. In this lesson, we'll talk about how to give simple directions in Chinese. First, you hear a dialogue. A student is asking for the directions to get to the library. I'm going to read the dialogue, and while you're listening, I want you to focus on the response, on how the directions are given. Ready? 图书馆在哪里？往前走，然后在路口右转。图书馆就在你的左边。Okay, one more time, a bit slower. 图书馆在哪里？往前走，然后在路口右转。图书馆就在你的左边。Alright, did you get what the directions were? Can you find the library? If not, don't worry, we'll go over the dialogue one by one, line by line. Okay, first is our question. 图书馆在哪里? This is asking, where is the library? Okay, 图书馆在哪里? Where is the library? Okay, so this is a standard way to ask where some place is at. Okay, first is the place you're looking for, and then 在哪里 at where. 图书馆在哪里? And then let's look at the response. Okay, the response has 3 sentences. Okay, first sentence, 往前走. 往前走 means go forward, go straight. 往前走。然后在路口右转。Literally it is. And then at intersection, right turn. 然后在路口右转. In the English order, it would be, and then turn right at the intersection. 然后在路口右转. Okay? And the last part. 图书馆就在你的左边。图书馆 library 就在 it means right at or just at or on 你的左边 in this case it would be on it would be right on your left side which sounds a little confusing. Let's say the library will be just on your left side right there on your left side you won't miss it 图书馆就在你的左边 Okay, now let's suppose we're just walking on campus trying to find the library. So let's see if we can find it by following the directions. Okay, so you are here, you are this person number 1, matchstick man number 1, and you're here. And you want to find the library. Now let's follow the directions, see if we can get there. Okay, first step, 往前走. So you're here. 往前走, so it's in this direction. 往前, 前, 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 前. By the way, in China, we walk or drive on the right side of the road. So we're following the traffic rule and we're going forward. 往前走. Okay, then we get to the intersection, 路口. 然后在路口右转, so you need to turn right. 右转, 右. Okay, and the third step is 图书馆就在你的左边. At that time, the library will be on your left side. So it looks like location number 1 should be the library. You got it. You found the library, 图书馆. Okay, so the directions one more time. 往前走，然后在路口右转。图书馆就在你的左边。Okay, so this is how we sort of follow the directions from this dialogue. Next, let's try to give directions. So let's say there is a matchstick man number 2. He's asking for your help. And this person wants to get to 超市. Okay, 超市 means supermarket. So on this map, 超市 is on location number 2. And our little guy, number 2, is here. So how does he get to 超市? Let's walk him together, okay? First step, he needs to go right. 往右走. Okay, 右走. And 然后在路口 at the intersection. So if he's going this way, okay, at the intersection, to go there, he needs to turn right. So 然后在路口右转。超市就在你的左边. Okay, so all together. 往右走，然后在路口右转。超市就在你的左边。That's how you get to 超市. Okay, let's try one more. We have a matchstick man number 3, and this guy wants to go to a bank. Bank is 银行, and on this map, 银行 is location number 3. So he is here, and he wants to go here. So how do we give him the directions to get there? First step, 往左走. He needs to go left. Okay, 左走. And he will also get to the intersection 路口. 然后在路口 he needs to turn right. 然后在路口右转右 and 银行就在你的左边. Okay, so all together. 往左走 go left. 然后在路口右转 and then turn right at the intersection. 银行就在你的左边. The bank is just on your left side. So with the other 3 examples we have so far, we can come up with a pattern, okay, that will give you many more directions, okay? We can also use 3 parts. First part is 往 direction, 走, okay? 往 means toward, okay? 往 and 走 in this case means go. 走. And for the direction placeholder so far we have 前 往前走 前 means front or ahead. So 往前走 means go forward, go to that direction, 往前. Okay? And we can also say 往左走 means go toward left, or 往右走 go toward right. Okay? This is our first part. Our second part is 然后在路口 right or left 转. Okay, 然后 first word 然后 is a conjunction word meaning and then. This is very useful. You'll hear it a lot either in everyday conversations or formal language. 然后 and then. Next word is 在. 在 in this case means at, as in 在路口 at the intersection. 在. Okay, we know 路口 is intersection. And this word, last word, 转. 转 is a verb meaning turn. 转. So you can say 然后在路口右转 or 然后在路口左转, either turn right at the intersection or turn left at the intersection. Okay, the third part, place, the place you're looking for. So in our lesson, we've talked about 图书馆, library, 图书馆, and 超市, supermarket, 超市, and 银行, bank, 银行, Okay, so we'll put these places first, the place you're looking for, and then 就 is an adverb that's putting emphasis on what you're saying. So it can be loosely translated to just or exactly, precisely. Okay, and 就在 will be right at or right on in this case. 你的 means your. 你的 边 means side. 边 so 你的右边 your right side or 你的左边 your left side. So if I say 就在你的左边 or 就在你的右边, it's putting more emphasis, like you won't miss it, it's right there. Place 就在你的右边 or place 就在你的左边. All right, now let's try to use this pattern on given directions to another place. Let's say you're looking for or you're given directions to a coffee shop. 咖啡店. Okay, 咖啡店. How do you get to the coffee shop? First, you go left. And then at the intersection, you will turn right. Coffee shop, 咖啡店, is just on your right side. So how do you say that? 往左走，然后在路口右转。咖啡店就在你的右边。There you have it. Now let's review. Do you remember how to say front? 前 and how to say go. 走 Do you remember how to say go forward? 往前走 Do you remember how to say turn? 转 And how to say turn right? 右转 Do you remember how to say intersection? 路口 And how to say at the intersection? 在路口 Do you remember how to say and then? 然后 And do you remember how to say and then turn right at the intersection? 然后在路口右转 Do you remember how to say side? 边 And how to say left side? 左边 And how to say your left side? 你的左边 Do you remember how to say on your left side? 在你的左边 Do you remember how to say just? 就 And how to say library. "图书馆,图书馆." Do you remember how to say the library is just on your left side? 图书馆就在你的左边。图书馆就在你的左边。And lastly, do you remember how to say go forward? And then turn right at the intersection. The library is just on your left side. 往前走，然后在路口右转。图书馆就在你的左边。往前走，然后在路口右转。图书馆就在你的左边。Well done! In this lesson, you've learned how to give simple directions in Chinese. That's it for this lesson. Thank you for watching. I'm Yinru, and I'll see you again on ChineseClass101.com. 再见.
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.